Hi there guys, welcome back. Another short video on one of the roundabouts which is near Kingswood Driving Test Centre. This roundabout is a fantastic roundabout. It is called a throughabout because you go through the middle, and if you want to turn left, you use the left lane. If you want to turn right, you also use the left lane. Might sound a bit weird, but we're going to see how to do it in a minute on the two videos that I've recorded. Really important on this one because you might attack it from both directions on the driving test. You really need to know your stuff. Road signs, road markings, make sure you're looking, make sure you're checking the road signs and road markings, and also as you go around, be aware of the traffic lights. There's quite a few sets of traffic lights as you go round, and some of them have even got those little blinds on them, the little blinds, those little shutters you might have seen. It's really important you spot which ones are for you and which ones aren't for you. Also, as you go around, if you are going to be turning right, third exit from the left lane, when you go across the main road, do check right and left for Bob the bank robber, because you never know, someone might have gone through the lights when they shouldn't go through. So I'll now put up the two videos so you can have a little look at, you know, which way to do them and how to do them, and so on and so forth. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you want to comment on it and maybe ask questions, that's fine. Feel free to put some comments in. And if you want to subscribe, if we want to, do some more videos like this, you want to be notified, do hit the subscribe button because it really does help us. But here we go, the Bristol Throughabout. So we're coming down the dual carriageway, and on the left here you'll see the sign that says Mount Hill, use left lane, which is a bit weird. Then this sign here says use left lane. So we're going to use our mirror signal maneuver routine to get into the left lane. Once in the left lane, we're faced with a set of traffic lights, and on the road you can see it says Mount, so we know we're in the correct place. Once we've got into this left lane, we're going to cancel our left signal. When we start to pass the traffic lights, we're then going to start to check our middle mirror and our right mirror, and we're going to be signalling right. Here we go. Moving off. Checking middle mirror, right mirror. Going to signal right, and we're looking for the word Mount on the road, which is the right hand side lane. Through the green lights to the next set of green lights. There's Mount on the road again, and we're going to wait in this middle lane but with our right signal on. Lights are red at the moment. When the lights go green, we're going to move off, but we're going to check to our right for Bob the bank robber. Here we go. So moving off, checking to my right, making sure no one's steaming through the traffic lights. As I pass this exit, checking my middle mirror, left mirror, and signalling left. And the sign there in front of you says Mount Hill. That's the way to do that direction. We're now going to come and attack it to go towards Cadbury Heath. If you have a look on the left, there's a sign there for Cadbury Heath. It says use left lane. So we're going to check our middle mirror, our left mirror, and we're going to signal left into the lane on the left. It says Cadbury on the floor there. Lights are coming up. They're red. We're going to cancel the left signal. When these lights go green, I'm going to be checking my middle mirror, my right mirror, and I'm going to signal right. And I'm going to pick up the road sign or the road marking, which says Seabury, which is Cadbury, basically. Here we go, checking middle mirror, right mirror, going to signal right, looking for the right hand side lane which says Cadbury or Seabury, through the green lights, looking for Cadbury again, there it is in the middle lane, and then we've got the red lights coming up, we're going to be stopping. Again, same principle, when the lights go green, we're going to move off, but we're going to check to our right to make sure Bob the bank robber is not steaming through from the right hand side. Here we go, moving off, checking to my right again. As we pass the exit, checking our middle mirror, left mirror, and signalling left, and leading off down the road towards Cadbury Heath. That's the way to do that one. Okay guys, that was the 2 videos on the Throughabout. Top tips to consider when doing this, if you do this on your driving test: look for the road signs on the approach, and if you're going to turn right, do select the left hand lane initially. Then as you go through, be aware of the traffic lights. They may be red, they may be green, and try and pick the correct lane as you're going around through the roundabout. If you get in the wrong lane, don't panic. Generally, if you stay in the lane you're in and you go the wrong way, it's still okay. You're not going to fail your driving test. Look out for Bob the bank robber, because you never know where he might be. And other than that, have a good go, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video.